do my task. Hold on. Call my accountant, he gon' make it do man. Had to get a driver just to drop me at the airport. Way I smoke the blunts, man, I burn them up like Newton. $50,000 on superstar tires. Key and Young Future bringing them fire. All the damn cash make a bitch wanna retire. Got a job I had for brick, you wanna put me on the flyer. Excuse me, but my lingo crazy. See these diamonds ain't no notification. Too bad bitch wanna fuck me the greatest. AMG in a brand new Mercedes. Turn out the light, I'ma do it 180 for the haters. I'ma go ahead do a 360. Drinking on the Sprite, got lean all day. I'm an astronaut, nigga, better trust my people. This shit not parking lot, leave mad. Two bad bitches in, I got 'em out of man. The way I made